This is a live look trading the E-mini futures. You guys, right now, this is currently, we're at about 8:35 a.m. this morning. You guys, take a look at our dashboard here. Everything is actually shown. We could actually see a push lower. Money is flowing out of the market. We end up getting a red dot, which is a key EMA crossover to the downside, and our middle band is looking to switch over to solid red. So when this is red, this is going to mean that the overall momentum within this little section is going to be negative. So it's going to be looking to go down. We did end up just getting a sell signal here on our top red deviation level. So this is also another good sign that we could see an increase to the downside once we come back up slightly here. So what I'm going to look at, I'm actually going to be looking to enter in for a short position here on the E-mini futures, trading the 2-minute time frame, and see if we can just scalp out a point in the market. What I want to wait for, though, is I don't want to just rush into a trade at all. I want to wait till all of our metrics are in line together. So on this dashboard here, we have switched over to just one little green dot here. I'll zoom in here for you guys to see this little green dot here. I want this to switch back over to red, which is going to tell me that overall within that direction, this is now going to be confirmed to go lower. We are getting a slight little pullback here, which is completely normal. Any type of pullback in an overall trend going in one direction is completely normal. It's actually really healthy for a stock to do that. You guys can tell this is flashing back and forth. This signal is going to end up closing out here in the next 50 seconds, and this is going to show if we are either going to continue upwards or go lower. You guys, right now I'm actually going to look at selling the market. I want to wait for a slight little pullback here to the top real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and enter the market. So let's see if we can pull this up about a couple more ticks, and then let's enter in for a push to the downside. All right, I'm going to go and actually sell the market right now. We just ended up getting an order filled over here to the right. Let's keep an eye on the profit and loss, and let's see if we can pull out a good profit here on this trade. You guys, I actually want to see if we can go for more of a profit with you guys here this morning. I'm going to go ahead and move down my take profit, and we're going to go ahead and go for a couple points in the market here. So let's actually do this. If we're looking to go for a couple points in the market, I also want to readjust where I actually have my stop loss and take profit. So the stop loss here, you guys can take a look at the chart. That is a great little signal to say we can see a push lower. Again, all of these metrics are in line together. Everything is saying that we could see a push lower. So I want to just stay within this trade. So currently break even and up 1, up 2, up 3. Keep an eye on the chart over here. Let's go for 400 this morning, you guys. We're going to go for 8 ticks in the market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go ahead and readjust this so you guys can see. So we're going to go for 8 ticks in the market, which is going to be 2 points, or is going to translate to $400, trading with 4 lots here on Trade of 8. And let's go ahead and stay here live with you guys and just see how this ends up panning out. So stop loss, where do we want to have our stop loss? Let's just do a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If we're going to go for 8 in the market, let's put our stop at 8. So we're going to move this up. Our stop is currently set at 8 ticks to the upside, 8 ticks to the downside. And of course, we are looking to go short in the market since all of our metrics, again, are still in combination here. On the dashboard, what you guys can keep an eye out for as well is everything up here is still just showing really good, just downward potential. Middle band is still actually just solid, completely red. White line is going to show money that's either flowing in or out of the market. This is still flowing out of the market. So I really like this spot to be able to just continue to just stay within this trade. Currently just fluttering back and forth right now in between kind of break even $50 to $100 on the account. I do just want to see this flush down a little bit lower and actually just to see if we can get this closed out for a couple $100 in profit this morning with you guys. Now, typically, like I said, if you guys follow the chart, there we go. There's $200. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. Go to 200 to 250. Staying here live with you guys to see how this ends up panning out. There we go. 250, 300, 350, $400. That is a $400 profit trading here live with you guys. Trading the E-mini futures here on the 2-minute time frame. If you guys want access to all these metrics that I use, you guys can actually just go over to Simple Market Metrics. This will give you lifetime access. There's never any monthly service fees to all 5 of the indicators that I use, and also the Discord with CJ, my $1 million day trader who gives trade alerts throughout the entire week. You'll get access to the advanced dashboard, linear regression, take a look at our customer comments, and you guys will be able to access this right away to follow the trade of the week. We also do some future trading technical analysis, Forex trading, and also options trading, and then just trade alerts throughout the entire week. So head over to Simple Market Metrics, either click the link in the description or just go over to simplemarketmetrics.com, click I want this, and literally within the next 5 minutes, you guys can start trading alongside with us. Have a great rest of your day.